Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Elisha. In our video today, we will be looking at how to get around copyright issues. You've uploaded a video, and then after uploading a video you find that it has copyright issues. How do you get around that one? Let's say the video is okay, but it has some pieces of music that are copyrighted. How do you handle such a thing? So what you need to do is you happen to go to where it reads content. Once you get there, you have to make sure that you click this pencil icon. You locate the video with the copyright issue. Of course, when you're just uploading a video, make sure that you set it to private so that you give it time to be fully uploaded, and then you give room to YouTube to check whether it has issues that you have to deal with. So when you check here, it's saying copyright, right? When you simply hover the mouse over this part which is headed restrictions. When you hover there, it's saying see details, copyright protected content found. So what you need to do is you click see details, and this will load, and they will show you the pieces of music that are copyrighted. So what I'm gonna do is, if I want to deal with the first one, that's Favor of the Gods, Forest Paradise, Nature Bounce, Indie Folk, I need to click here where it is select actions. And then if I want, I can trim out the segment of the video which has that piece of music. I can replace it or erase the song. Okay, so if I were to replace it, I would need to click here where it says replace song and then hit continue. Okay, boom. So the part where that song has been highlighted in red. You see that one at the far right there, meaning that if your channel is monetized, you cannot monetize that video. You won't be getting any revenue. And then it will also have some outreach limitations. There will be some parts of the world where it won't actually be spread out because the owner of the song is actually earning from those ends. So what you need to do is you can play these songs and then you choose which one sounds better or suits that part of the video. And then so when you click play, you're going to listen to the song or the melody, and then you go like, okay, I'm gonna go by this one, picture competition. So you click add and you check there that part has been covered. If the copyrighted song is longer than the one you have chosen, you can still move to the edge and then click and hold and drag till it fits there. Then when you notice that it has actually spread out evenly, you can now click save, and then they will ask you whether you are sure to replace that song. So you simply hit save, and you will see a notification reading the video is being edited. So there's nothing you can do any further, so you need to wait until this is done to log back in, so that you also deal with these other two. Okay, so since this is just for demo and there isn't much time to record everything, so what you do is when this is done, you will see they will show you that it still has some copyright issues. You need to click it again, then you deal with the second one, you wait for some minutes for it to be done, and then you deal with the third one, and you'll be good to go. The copyright issue will be normal, so you'll be able to now publish the video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe and share with others.